But that was rank. She took her shoes off to go and dance, and for some reason, that's right. Mom might burp. Sorry. Film coming out this year. Ooh.
You know what I have to say about that?
Ceramic, if I drop it,
Then I'll drop you. Drop us the ball.
It's happening! S'mores. Once you mix up your s'mores mix.
I believe that women don't in fact lie.
Excuse me. See if they might have scroll. Scott.
Still burping though. I had to.
Very handsome.
I have to burp.
Yeah. You're gonna hurt something.
Are a bunch of gay shit. It's like. For what I have a. Wow. Hey everybody, sorry.
Oh, I hate when you do that!
I didn't know!
What do you have to say? Ricky. Okay.
I mean, you would. Ooh. Yuck. Why not bored? At something that was happening.
Oh, damn it. Excuse me.
It doesn't look
You guys missed those burps, didn't you?
Went to just kind of chill.
Okay. Oh, babe, one more thing. Shield.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. I'm learning. Jess is teaching me things. Learning every day. I would just say excuse me after I burp now.
Peace out from Jess
and Gabriel Conti. Excuse me.
Oh my gosh, what did that smell like?
It smelled like cake pops.
I destroyed that. What's up, guys? It's Sam Colby.
See this generation? Oh my god.
Cool. Okay. Go. Can you make it go
Like loud or
Yeah.
long? Kinda. No.
No. Oh no. Oh my fucking god.
Come on. Let me burp. I'm burping. Date me.
Bring food from the. Excuse me. Stop. Are you?
Excuse you. Kind of thing. Very stressful.
And Ninja Spell. Pardon me.
Judo by ASU. Maybe even like next week.
Why don't you slurp it up? Remember when you were a kid and you would drop it up, it would spill on the counter?
Whoa!